If you are wondering if Motorola Moto G87 supports power sharing, then the answer is partially yes. Unfortunately, the phone does not support reverse wireless charging, but the reverse wired charging works. So what you can do is you can use a USB cable that fits both your Motorola Moto G87 and the other device that you want to charge. So then we connect simply both devices together. So let me just quickly plug it in just like that, and I'm gonna connect it to this smartphone over here. And then we should be able to charge. Now, it is possible that your phone is going to be charged instead of charging, like this is what happened right now on my Motorola. So if that is the case, you can go to notifications and you want to find the notification about charging this device via USB. You can tap on this notification, and then again, in order to open USB preferences, scroll all the way down and choose to charge the connected device. And there we go. Now we are charging that other device. This can happen if you connect two smartphones together. And in case you connect, for example, to a Bluetooth device or something, then most likely it will never happen. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.